Today I'm taking you to a nice little walk down to a Buddhist temple, which is the westernmost temple of Japan, basically. It's been built in the 17th century, so let's go down along the back streets of Ishigaki. We're on December 18th, and as you can see, it is a warm day. It's 21 degrees today, so it's not that hot, but it's not that cold neither. It's pleasant for a walk. I will introduce you to this one. This is called ginger shell. They make tea with this. Locally it's called geto, and they make a very nice tea with it. So if you got a chance to come around, give it a try. To geto tea, or you can get also geto latte at some places. It's very nice. Which street should I take? Let's take to this one. A lot of houses are built with concrete. That's after World War II. The Americans brought the concept that the house should be made with concrete, so they are stronger. They are stronger structures for so many typhoons hitting the islands, right? So that's the reason a lot of houses are concrete made, are very strong. So they got their unique style design. Every entrance you can see shisa, which is coming from the Chinese traditions, but it's been passed to the Ryukyu kingdom. The shisas, the two guards of the house or the entrance. Okay, let's go. So you can see the traditional house. There are a few little houses hidden here and there when you take the back street. So they got the tiled roof, and the structure is made by wood. So if you take time to go in the back streets of Ishigaki, you can still see some very nice houses. Now I'm thinking which way I should take to enjoy the back street. I'm gonna take this one. It is very good weather today, very nice. Some very nice Okinawan style house. So the walls are made of coral stones. You can see this is corals everywhere. And this is the real meaning of the word Ishigaki. Ishi is a stone, and gaki is the assemble of the stone. That structure is called Ishigaki. So all over Japan, the name is Ishigaki for a stone wall. The typical. This is also, the shell is also a good omen for the houses of Okinawa. Those are traditional plants of the Yaeyama Islands. They are not dying, they are all the year round of this color. It's beautiful. And those are all twisted leaf. They are also traditional Yaeyama plants. It's very, very, very nice. This is December, by the way. So if you wonder what to wear if you come to Ishigaki in December, don't forget to bring a t-shirt. I'm walking around just with a t-shirt. It is 21 degrees. Last night was 18 degrees. There is not much difference between the day and the night in Ishigaki, even in the summer. We go from 32 during the day to 28 during the night for 6 months. And now we're in December, where we got a lot of rainy days. So have you seen this? Those are the branch trying to reach. Actually, basically the branch are trying to go back to the ground, to root, and then to make it a stronger tree, like this one, right? So all those little branches try to reach the ground somewhere, and then they will build up the tree. So that's why those trees can live for a few hundred years, because they keep on growing roots which keep them alive, like they expand themselves. So they say they are the walking trees, literally, because like this one, I don't know if you can see this one. So it's going all the way down to the ground. So 17th century temple. The westernmost temple, or southernmost, depends how you see the map. I say western, but in Japan they say southern. The temple of Japan. It was built in the 17th century. Look at that design, right? It's beautiful. I'm not sure if I'm more fascinated by the nature or by what's human built. We got a good mix of both. And then we got the light playing with us today. It's a beautiful day to walk around Ishigaki. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? The Gongendo Shrine, which is just beside the temple. Good. Here you got the dragons on the roof. 2 dragons' head on the roof, and then the elephants. That's totally different than what we are used to see. And then we can see the Shisa painted. The one with the open mouth on the right, and the one with a closed mouth on the left. This is 17th century. I believe it is the oldest one in Okinawa remaining. Wow, look at that. It survived many wars, many fights, It's still there. All good. It's impressive what people could do long time ago before any cloud computing or any AI and so on. That's long time ago, of course. How beautiful is this? Ah, fantastic. Right, now that we've been to the temple, I'm going to try to go for lunch, if possible. There is a very nice place around here which serves what is called the Yaeyama Soba. It's a local type of ramen. It's called Soba, but it's not buckwheat soba as on Honshu. It's just called Soba for ramen. So let's try to get in if it's open and if they still serve, hopefully. This place is only open during lunchtime from 11 to 2 p.m. Now it's winter time, so it's not crowded, it's easy to get in. But when it starts to get warm, like April, May, that's it, you have to queue and it's going to be hard to get in. So I recommend you to come when there are not many people in Ishigaki. Here in Ishigaki, the nature is plentiful and basically food is growing in the streets. So here is a garden of the place where I've been for lunch, and I'm going to show you few plants that are growing everywhere. It's so beautiful, and it's, well, let me show you. Like those, look at that. So this one is called a kirin, which is like a dragon. This one is a geto. Geto is with a leaf. You make tea with a leaf. It's called ginger shell or geto in Okinawa. And you got those little violet. And you got bananas. Bananas are literally growing in the garden. And here we have this one. It's a, you know this one? It's a butterfly pea. It's a, you make a tea with it, which is a blue color. It's very nice. It's a beautiful garden. There is a very nice variety of local flowers. Maybe I should make a different video just about gardening, maybe. Those are beautiful. And we find again the pipachi. Pipach, the local spice. Here is a red one. It's ready to be collected and you to spice the Yaeyama soba. But it's a beautiful garden, for sure. You don't want to miss it. If you come to Ishigaki, I recommend you to come here. Look at that. It's a variety of citrus from Ishigaki also. And of course you got the hibiscus. And the hibiscus, of course you know, you can make tea with hibiscus. You can make tea and you can make jam. Many varieties of flowers in this garden. The walls are made with, as I said before, the walls are made with those coral rocks. So you need to bear with me that my English is not perfect pronunciation, and I'm trying to synchronize holding the camera while speaking and walking in the city. So it's a bit messy, but as time goes, I probably will get better at everything, to synchronize everything. So please bear with me. I hope you understand everything I say. I try my best to put accurate subtitles. So you just turn the subtitles on, and then it's going to help you to understand my Frenchy English way of speaking. I hope you enjoy.